marvel of modern technology is set to redefine our commute with its autonomous navigation capabilities. Imagine a world where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride while your car does all the driving. Safety is a top priority, with features like obstacle detection, lane keeping, and automatic emergency braking. The self-driving car promises to revolutionize transportation, making our roads safer and our journeys more enjoyable. With the self-driving car, the future of transportation is here. And finally, at number 1, we have the AI Robot Companion. This is not just a gadget, it's a revolution. The AI Robot Companion is designed to interact with humans in a way that feels natural and intuitive, thanks to its groundbreaking emotional intelligence. This feature allows it to understand and respond to your feelings, providing companionship like never before. But that's not all. This AI Robot Companion is also programmed to learn and grow over time. It continually adapts to your preferences, habits, and lifestyle, making your interactions progressively more personalized and meaningful. Imagine having a companion that truly understands you and evolves with you. The potential of this technology is immense. It blurs the line between humans and machines, promising to redefine our relationship with technology. This is more than just a gadget. It's a glimpse into a future where AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. With the AI Robot Companion, we are truly stepping into the future of AI technology. So there you have it, the top 5 AI gadgets that are set to change your life forever. From personal assistants that learn and adapt to your needs, to smart homes that ensure your comfort, fitness trackers that personalize your workout, self-driving cars that redefine mobility, and robot companions that offer companionship like never before. The potential of AI technology is limitless. The future is here, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined. Stay tuned for more thrilling tech updates.